Hello you guys, this is Fun Automotive, and in this video we're going to be doing the seat covers. And as you can see in the back here, I have started on some Bondo work on that in the front of this hood, getting that all shaved down nice and smooth, getting it ready and prepped for paint and clear coat. So let's get to this video now. As you can see, getting it drying up right now. If these cracks are deeper than they are, I have to just add another coat. No big deal, but just getting the front of this all done. Sanded up the whole hood, getting it all ready, nice and smooth. Now, this is the seat covers. This seat cover, I'm going to, because this is the back portion. Let me show you on the other side. Alright, see, this is the finished part right here. First seat that I did, I learned everything off of this seat on the difficulties and what I'm going to have to do on the second one. So on this seat, I took this whole cover off, and everything that drilled and went through, I wrapped this fabric over all of that, getting a good stretch all the way. Even the bolt that holds the seat belt in is a big thick bolt that goes straight through. I even wrapped it past that and under, and it goes back. And then through the bolt through that. That screw went through it, that screw went through it. There's a screw up here that went through it, and a screw back here, as you can see right there. So I got this thing stretched down very good. It's on there and it will not move. This thing is on there nice and tight. I actually forgot to Velcro it. I'll take care of that right now, but that's what it's looking like right now. Hope you guys like it. It's not too bad, not too bad. I'm sure the back will settle out after a little while, a little bit of use and some heat from it sitting in the sun. I'm sure that it will smoothen out, all the creases and stuff will settle away. They go over the whole headrest, as you can tell. I don't like that feature, but you know, this is a quick, easy fix. They are nice thick leather, they are Dickies. I wanted the original Jeep one that I had before. I couldn't find those, and online at Walmart they wanted like $50, $60 I think for a set, and originally they were only 40 something at Walmart when I saw them, at least. But honestly, it looks better in person. On camera, for some reason everything shows up. Let you know what you missed, I guess, but that's not too bad looking. It's not too bad. This should, like I said, settle out after a little while. Taking apart this one at the moment. As you can see, I already took all the screws out. Unplugged the heat seat portion and the adjusting portion. Right now I'm taking the seatbelt off. Getting that taken care of and out. Actually, I'll just put it right there, because I'm going to need this bolt to go into it like I did on the other side. This was full of nasty stuff. As you can see, that's some of it right there. Had to vacuum all that out. It was like covered and gunked along this whole portion. That was just from years of never been taken off. So let me start it and I'll get back to you guys. This is what it's looking like right now. I accidentally stretched this. I made the hole right here, but I ended up making it over here, and then I yanked on it a little bit and it started fraying, but not bad. It's holding on back here by that bolt still. There's a decent hole, but this fabric right here where it's thick, doubled up at, is holding it fine. It's on there nicely. Now all I got to do is bolt this thing back up on it, back up in it, into the holes, and it's back to normal again once more. Not bad at all. I wish the gray was a little lighter. It'll match the interior a bit more, but I think that's okay. You know, I like how it's like seamless. It like goes just behind the plastic, nice and smooth. It doesn't bundle up. My last seat cover is bundled up because I didn't do it this way. So these are going to be seamless looking, quite nice. I think that's pretty cool, pretty rad. And like I said with the last one, I'm gonna let these sit. Obviously, they're gonna sit, and these wrinkles should come out even better than what they were. These should all just come out, and this over time will get sat in and work its crinkles out, or get I'm thinking 2 big crinkles down here, but everything else should smoothen out. We'll see. We will see. It's not bad. This seat's actually all the way up because I need it to be, so I'm going to pull it all the way back when I'm done, level with it, and you'll be able to see how it's going to look on the Norm. This seat is all done now. I like it. It's not bad. Alright, here it is, all finished up, all tight. Nice and good. Not too bad. The back is obviously, the backs aren't the best, but it's really not terrible. It's a good view right here. This is what they do look like right here. That's how they look. It's actually not too bad, I'd say. Not too bad. I like it. Good quick fix for the money. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Fun Automotive, and you see this is an easy quick fix for the seat covers. You know, there was only like $22 for these seat covers. So it's easy and quick. If you wanted to buy the actual cover itself that replaces it, they wanted $120, $130 a piece for just the bottom half of the seat covers, and I was able to get 2 full seat covers. Obviously not as good as the expensive actual OEM ones, but for $22 to $25, so you know, it's easy, it's quick, but it doesn't look too horrible. In the back, hopefully that levels and fixes itself, but the bottom halves don't look too bad at all. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye.